So some time ago I reviewed this AndyRC micro bike, and everyone in the comments was like, you've got to FPV it. So my friend Phil got hold of this one and did just that. Then we recorded a video of it, and the views went absolutely crazy, to the point where I'm actually in talks with a company who want to make one ready to go out of the box with an FPV camera. But there's no promises, and since we made the FPV video, these Carson bikes have sold out absolutely everywhere. So in the meantime, you can get them really cheap from AliExpress if you want to make one of your own. So I'll add a link in the description of this video, as well as where to get the camera from if you want to make one yourself. But then some of the comments in the FPV video were like, now do some Evel Kinevel style stunts with it. And I sort of laughed it off. But again, Phil saw those comments and, like always, went above and beyond. You have no idea how much effort he has put into making this and how hard it was to make the stunts work. But it was a load of fun, so I hope you will enjoy it as much as I do. Cheers.
ball stuck right in it.
You've gone balls deep.
Oh no, it's gotta hurt, man.
Balls deep, they call that, Phil. So where'd you buy this contraption from? What website?
Hasn't been invented.